If you want to manage your work schedule on Monday.com, let me show you how to set this. So go ahead and either add a schedule or set your schedule. Click your account on the upper right hand side and click on administration. Now on the left hand side, click on work schedule, and here you will find the current schedule. You can go ahead and you can click on the schedule and you can just set, for example, if you don't work on weekends, you can go ahead and just uncheck them. Or if you do, you can go ahead and check them and set the time that you work, right? So you can go ahead and set those. And if you're not working 8 hours, but you're working, for example, 12 hours, you can go ahead and simply put that in as well. So I can go ahead and put in that, and you can see that it changes to 12 hours. Right, so this is how you can change your current schedule. Now, if you want to add schedule, you can simply go ahead and click on add schedule. And from here, you can basically fill in those. It's going to look quite similar as well. So you want to fill in those, then you proceed, set your time off, and also you can assign to team and so forth, right? But that's pretty much it, guys. That's how you go ahead and add schedule and how you can change schedule in Monday.com.